Tired of crickets chirping in your Shopify store? Let's turn those crickets into chachings with a powerful advertising strategy that reaches your ideal customers everywhere they are. First, think multi-channel. We're not just sticking to one platform, we're talking Google ads to capture search intent, social media ads for targeted brand awareness, and email marketing to nurture leads and drive repeat sales. Let's start with Google Ads keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-intent keywords that your customers are actually searching for. Then, create targeted campaigns focusing on specific product categories or promotions. Pay close attention to your ad copy, make it compelling and relevant to the search query. Don't forget to set up conversion tracking to see which keywords are driving the most sales. Now, onto social media. Facebook and Instagram ads are perfect for reaching a specific audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Experiment with different ad formats like carousel ads to showcase multiple products or video ads to grab attention. Test your ad creatives and targeting options to optimize for the best results. Also, consider using retargeting to reach people who have previously visited your website. Finally, email marketing. Build an email list and segment it based on customer behavior and purchase history. Automate welcome emails for new subscribers. Send promotional emails with exclusive discounts, and create abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales. Personalization is crucial. Tailor your emails to each subscriber's interests for higher engagement. And remember, it's all about tracking and optimizing. Regularly monitor your key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to your campaigns accordingly. A data-driven approach is the key to long-term success. Now, go out there and start converting those views into victories.